Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Thermal Grizzly CPU contact frame. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the Thermal Grizzly CPU contact frame has become a popular upgrade for PC builders and enthusiasts who want to get the best cooling and performance out of their CPUs. It's a small but powerful accessory that replaces your CPU's stock mounting system, but does it really make a difference, or is it just another overhyped add-on? I'm going to go ahead and break down what it does and how well it works. So the contact frame is designed to replace the standard integrated loading mechanism ILM that comes with most Intel motherboards. The issue with the stock ILM is that it can apply uneven pressure to the CPU, causing it to slightly bend or bow. This results in uneven contact between the CPU and the cooler, leading to higher temperatures and less efficient heat transfer. But what the Thermal Grizzly contact frame fixes this by applying perfectly even pressure across the whole chip, ensuring a flat solid connection between the CPU and the cooler. And the installation is straightforward. For anyone comfortable working inside a PC, you simply remove the stock bracket and replace it with the contact frame using the included screws and instructions. It feels premium, made from CNC machined anodized aluminium, and it fits snugly without interfering with your cooler or other components. Now, in real world testing, users and reviewers consistently report temperatures drop between 3 to 8 degrees Celsius depending on the CPU and cooler used. That might not sound huge, but in the world of PC performance, those few degrees can mean better stability, quieter fans, and higher overclocking headroom. It's especially notable on Intel's 12th, 13th, and 14th gen CPUs, which tend to run hot under load. But there are a few things to keep in mind. While installation is simple, it does technically void your CPU warranty if not done carefully. Also, it's also not a must-have for casual users or those running CPUs at stock setting, but for performance enthusiasts and overclockers, it's one of the most efficient and affordable thermal upgrades you can make. Overall, the Thermal Grizzly CPU contact frame absolutely delivers on its promise. It improves thermal efficiency, prevents CPU bending, and gives serious PC builders a way to squeeze every bit of performance out of their hardware. So if you're passionate about cooling, stability, or overclocking, this little frame is a game changer. Small in size, but big in results.